We put the card
So we got the card, right? And we can scan his feet
Yeah, so he can turn to live.
so he can come alive on the app, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go open the next one.
The next one is called the Allosaurus.
We're opening the Allosaurus.
Here's our Allosaurus.
Gotta cut the foot too. Oh, there he goes.
So there's your Allosaurus. Here's
And what does he do?
our Allosaurus. You're gonna see the scream. Watch.
Does he stand?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfectly. And he jumps the mouth and he removes the
So turn it around. Let's see. Turn it around.
And he also articulates the tail.
He articulates the tail.
And he also has the power card.
Okay. And then what does he do? When you push the button? There's two buttons. What does he do? One moves the mouth and one moves the arm.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let's get
You
him
can also
standing.
scan him.
Wait. Let's get him here. So you push this one and he moves the jaw. And you push this one and he moves the arm. Very cool. And he also has his info card in the box,
power
right?
card. Yeah, the power card.
And you can scan his feet as well.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
let's
it
get...
has a scanner, see?
Alright, so he has a scanner and there is his info card. And he tells you how strong he is, how fast, and how smart, and how ferocious. Okay. So that's the Allosaurus, right?
Yeah.
And there's the Nasutoceratops.
And the Allosaurus.
Okay, and then now we're going to open the
Concavinator.
Concavinator.
There's also his power card in here.
Okay.
I'm going to open him.
You got to learn how to hold the scissor, but okay.
Here it is.
That's a Concavinator.
And look what he does. He flips the tail.
Wow, that's all he does?
Nope.
Ah.
Jump him out. Oopsie. Our Allosaurus just fall down.
And he also scans.
Yeah.
All right, let's get his info card.
So.
All right, so here's his info card.
And there's the Concavinator on it. That's one like this.
So which one do you like the best?
My favorite one is all three of them.
All three of them?
Yeah.
What about our fans? Which one do you like the best? How about to leave a comment down below?
Subscribe to our channel so you can see some more of the Jurassic World Spine Toys Surprise.
Woohoo! Thanks for watching.
If you like our videos, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to the big red subscribe button down below.
Thank you.